Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's a really exciting video because it's my annual Christmas makeup tutorial. So as always, every year on my channel I film a Christmas makeup tutorial. I try to vary it up every single year just to make it a little bit different, and to get into the Christmas spirit I'm wearing my top that says "Let It Snow." So yeah, I'm in the Christmas spirit. I'm excited for Christmas. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so to start with, I'm just going to prep my face with my Balm Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. I'm then going to go in with like a proper primer. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base Primer. Basically, on Christmas Day, you need a primer that's going to make your makeup last all day and that's going to keep it in place so it's not going to slip and slide. And I really like this L'Oreal one. It's kind of like a gel formula, but it's really good. So it wasn't even that expensive either. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to blend it in with my Stippling brush by Real Techniques. I think that's done a really great job then of mattifying my face as well, so that's really good. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Foundation, and this is in the shade LC1. I'm not that keen on this foundation because the smell is so strong, but this foundation is one of my only foundations that lasts all day, and it's by the drugstore. So this is like $11, I think. But it lasts all day. I did a review on it on my channel if you're interested in watching it, and it literally didn't move all day long. So that's what you want for Christmas Day, but you need to use a lot of it. So I'm just going to paint this on my skin. And then I'm going to blend that in with my Morphe M435 buffing brush. Okay, now for concealer, I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I mixed two shades. I use Light Neutral 15. This was one of the old shade names though, so I don't know what the new shade name is. I use that to cover like my dark circles, and then I use Fair 04, which is part of the new shades, to like highlight and brighten up the area. So I'm going to use those. And to blend those in, I'm going to use my Real Techniques contour brush. Now to set my face, I'm going to use the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, translucent. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. small tapered brush to set my eyes. Then I'm going to use my Use by C31 brush to set my face. Now I'm going to finish up the rest of my face before I actually move on to my eyes, which is very strange for me. But I'm going to contour my face with the NYX High Definition Blush in the shade Taupe. And I'm going to use my Use by C27 contour brush. Then I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Colour Icon bronzer, and this is in the shade Ticket to Brazil. And I'm going to use my Real Techniques blush brush to bronze my skin. Then I'm going to use the Physicians Formula Butter Blush, and this is in the shade Vintage Rouge. And I'm going to take my Morphe E4 brush to apply this to my face. Then I'm going to highlight my face using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in the shade On the Cusp, and this is part of Kathleen Lights' Zodiac collection. It's such a pretty colour. It can be too dark for my skin, so I'm just going to go light with it. And I'm going to use the Real Techniques satin brush to apply. Okay, now moving on to the eyes, so let's zoom you in. Okay, for the eyes today, I'm keeping it really simple because on Christmas Day, you don't really want to be spending ages doing your makeup. So I'm going to do a really simple matte look with a bit of sparkle. So, okay, let's get started. So I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mad for Matte 2 eyeshadow palette, Summer Breeze. And first I'm going to take this colour here, the second one in, on a Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to pop that then through the crease. I'm then going to go into this dark chocolate brown colour here on my Morphe M412 brush, and I'm going to pack that on the outer corners. I'm then going to go back in with the crease shade and just blend over the top. Then I'm going to take this end shade here and I'm just going to lighten up my inner corners using my EcoTools shade brush. I'm then going to take my Morphe E18 brush and use those same colours then on my lower lash line. Now this is where the Christmas sparkle comes in. So now I'm going to use this golden, like, glittery eyeliner thing. This is the Glam Crystals Dazzling Gel Liner by Collection. And I am just going to pop this on the inner corners of my lower lash line. So I'll show you what I mean. Actually, I think I'm going to do it all the way across. So that's what that looks like. It's nice and subtle, but it still adds that pop of shimmer if you can see it really close. So it's nice. Now for mascara. So I'm going to use my NYX with the Hype mascara. Then to finish up, I'm going to apply a nice red lip. Obviously, it's Christmas time. So I'm going to use my Revlon Lacquer Balm lip crayon. And it's in the shade Provocature, 135 Provocature. So let's apply it. So yeah, that completes my Christmas makeup tutorial today. Really simple, really easy, really quick to do on Christmas morning, and it still looks super Christmassy, still looks super festive with the lip and the sparkly glitter, but still a really basic look. So yeah, super easy to do. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. I've got loads of Christmas makeup tutorials from previous years that you can check out as well. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!